These are the insights of a DJI Fpv user who got the Avata and decided to return it. I think I'm going to return my Avata. I've been flying my DJI Fpv for about 1 year. I love it. When the Avata came available, I jumped on it. Why did I upgrade? Scenery profile, protected rotors are always a good thing. Battery life, 18 minutes over 14 minutes. Improved headset, better size, better display and touchpad interface. Decreased weight. Lighter is usually better when things are using energy to be kept aloft. Diopter adjustments on goggles. Size. This is a much more portable drone and it will travel well and takes about the half of the volume of the FPV when packed. General feature updates. Anyway, it showed up and I was able to take the first flight yesterday, and here are my thoughts. Keep in mind this is coming from a DJI FPV person. I just wanted to share my experiences so others have data to inform their buy decisions. Negatives pushing me for a return. Noise. This has a high-pitched whine. You can hear it at almost any altitude. I'm sure I'll get used to it, but now I expected 5-blade rotors and duct shroud to have a little bit more attenuation. Nope. Loud, gross pitch. Flight characteristics. It's very susceptible to wind. It was kiting all over the place at 90 meters above ground level. The descents were very bumpy without forward motion of at least 8 meters a second. Speed. I capped out at 12 meters a second in sport mode. This is not terrible, but coming from the FPV, we are at about the half of max air speed. I guess I'm just used to more. Goggles. The fit is terrible for me. The nose bridge pushes against my nose, restricting airflow unless I use one end to keep it off my nose. I realize this is probably a personal thing, but if you have a strong nose, you may have similar issues. Touchpad. Gross. I see no point to add this as a feature. Sloppy for navigating the menus. Positives. Pushing me to keep the Avata. Size. I love the size of the drone and the goggles. Much smaller and easier to transport. Display. In-goggle display and 48 megapixel camera are a draw. The FPV isn't bad, but this is better. Given this and the logical evaluation of these, I think it's going back. Too expensive to keep just cause I guess I am a DJI FPV guy.